Well, it's another windy morning here in the nursery, so we moved into the greenhouse, got a selection of plants together to show you the sorts of things that you're likely to find in garden centres right throughout the northeast and mid-Atlantic states in the next week or so. And of course, you're going to find the elegance and beauty of the old-fashioned bleeding heart, a hand-picked for you selection. But I wonder if you've come across this form yet that's called Dicentra Valentine, a red flowering bleeding heart. Believe it or not, this is a variety that turned up as a seedling in British Columbia. Phyllis and Lyle Sarrazin have a little nursery in Prince George, British Columbia, and very unusually, they were growing bleeding hearts from seed. And in the middle of it, up came this seedling, which they couldn't believe it when they seen it, had this very distinctive, much darker red flowers on it. On top of that, the plant is more compact. It gets to about 2 to 2.5 foot tall, has darker colored foliage, and also you'll notice that the stems are darker too. But besides that, it's got all of the qualities of that much loved old charmer bleeding heart. Makes a wonderful cut flower, will last for up to 2 weeks in a vase. It's hardy, zone 3. It's very reliable and easy to grow, and will make, just like its old-fashioned cousin, a really reliable, beautiful perennial to grow in your garden, taking shade or partially shaded, and sometimes even a little bit more sunlight than people give it credit for, especially if you work in plenty of organic matter when you plant it. So if you're looking for a red flowering form of the old-fashioned bleeding heart, look for Dicentra Valentine. It's truly a beautiful, very elegant, hardy and easy to grow perennial.